the trends of intelligent edge, with IoT, with the digitization about just about everything, it is a great opportunity to be a partner of Schneider Electric. We're talking a lot about partner-to-partner collaboration. How can Schneider Electric, working with our alliance partners like HP, Dell, Cisco, working with our diverse set of partners, our elite partners, our IT partners, how do we come together, work together, and enable our end-user customer the best possible solution for their business problems? Well, these IT issues that our customers are facing really involve having a physical security element, or a reliability or an availability element. And these are all trends of the market that Schneider Electric is uniquely positioned to take advantage of. For years, Schneider Electric has always had the best UPSs and power solutions and the best cooling solutions. With our partners, we've always had a great ecosystem to allow for services. What I think we have going on now is with EcoStruxure IT, with these remote edge deployments, we're allowing ourselves with our partners to manage the ongoing operations. So it allows end customers the peace of mind to know that their operations going to always be up and running. EcoStruxure IT was designed with the partner community in mind. The partners have a revenue stream of managed services, of print and of compute. Now we're allowing them to also monitor the power and cooling aspects of their clients. This is important for clients, for the uptime and reliability is critical now. And so partners can say, not only do we manage your print, your IT, your networking, but we manage the integrity and the reliability and the availability of the whole atmosphere. Yeah, for those elite partners who've come up from a physical infrastructure perspective, they're realizing as well that the management and ongoing operations is critical to their clients' success. It's interesting, we see that their collaboration with alliance partners and other IT partners also allows them a unique revenue stream. And then finally, we're seeing that in the industrial space. This is a space where they may not have gone into before, but there's a lot of opportunities there. And again, the management and reliability is key for those spaces as well. Yeah, the key for partners is always how can we help generate leads for each other. Partner-to-partner collaboration is one, and we're certainly really driving our message in the edge space and within EcoStruxure IT, and we're seeing a lot of interest coming from end clients, and the only way we can really help these clients is with our network of partners.